Namaskar. Good health is strongly connected to one thing: good digestion or good gut. Your gut is basically your second brain. It helps absorb nutrients, balance hormones, and even boost immunity. And when it is happy, your skin glows, your mind feels happier, and your whole body just works better. Your digestive system affects your skin, your mood, and even your energy levels. Research also shows that fermented foods are more easily digestible by the body, and fermented foods are more enriched certain vitamins and antioxidants and help reduce cholesterol. The best way to naturally support your gut is through fermented food. Fermented foods are food items that have been through a natural fermented process, producing probiotic, a good bacteria that your gut loves. Today, I will share few fermented foods that are easily added to your diet and seriously good for your digestion. First, homemade curd or dahi. It is one of the most accessible probiotic food in Indian kitchen and contains live culture that supports gut flora. Just a small bowl in lunch can help balance digestion and reduce bloating. The next food is sauerkraut. Sounds very fancy, but it is nothing else but fermented cabbage with a tangy taste. Sauerkraut is packed with fiber, vitamin C, and natural probiotic. Just cabbage, salt, and thyme. No vinegar needed. Top it on toast, great bowls, or eat a spoonful on the side with your meals. Third comes kanji. Kanji is a traditional fermented drink made with black carrots, mustard seeds, and salt. It is tangy, slightly spicy, and amazing for digestion. To make kanji, you will need 3 medium carrots, 4 cup filtered water, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 1 teaspoon salt. To make kanji, start by peeling and cutting the carrot in large glass jar or bottle. Add the water, crushed mustard seeds, salt, and chili powder. Stir well and then add the carrot pieces. Cover the jar with muslin cloth or a loose lid. Place it in the sunlight for 2-3 days for fermentation. Stir once daily with clean spoon. Once it is slightly tangy and fizzy, it is ready. It is like probiotic quotient, ready to use. Next, we have idli and dosa batter. You might think idli and dosa as a breakfast staple, but beneath that soft, fluffy surface lies a powerful fermented food that supports digestion and gut balance. Batter is made by soaking and grinding rice and urad dal and then left to ferment overnight or longer in colder weather. Natural bacteria in this means to break down the quotient. The process creates lactic acid, which encourages the probiotic bacteria, the kind which your gut loves. It also pre-digests some starches and protein, making it easier on your stomach. That is why idli and dosas are carb-based. They are often liked and easy to digest, especially when it is eaten fresh without excessive of oil or ghee and chutneys and preservatives. Then comes fermented pickles or achars. We are not talking about a vinegar heavy stored achars for years. Traditional Indian pickle made with mustard oil, salt, and oil and spices are often fermented naturally in the sun. Mango, lemon, these are all packed with probiotic punch. But remember to keep the portion small. They can be intense on your stomach. Next, we have the unique kombucha. This fizzy tea has become very popular nowadays in health and wellness circle. Kombucha, it is a black or green tea which is slightly sour or slightly sweet in taste. It is full of probiotic and antioxidant. You can even make it at home if you are into DIY health drink. And finally, there is a fermented rice. This is more done in the part of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Here, leftover rice is soaked overnight and eaten next morning, sometimes with buttermilk. It creates a cooling probiotic richness that is amazing for digestion, especially in summer. So the 7 fermented food for guts are: first, homemade curd; second, sour corn; third, kanji; fourth, idli dosa batter; fifth, traditional pickle; sixth, kombucha; and seventh, fermented rice. When you feed your gut with right bacteria, everything else follows: clear skin, better mood, strong immunity, and more energy. And the best part is that these aren't exotic, hard to find ingredients. Most of them come from your kitchen, your region, or your roots. So go ahead, add a little fermented magic in your meals and let your body thank you. Namaskar.